I'm going to show you how to unclog a sink. I tried using this Drano, I don't know what it's called. I mean, this one works. I mean, I already used it before on other sinks and it works really good. But on this one, it didn't want to work. I mean, I tried putting a lot of it, it didn't work. So I'm going to show you what you can do when this doesn't work. I'm going to show you how to unclog your sink. Alright guys, welcome back to Fix It Felix. Problem I'm getting, the water is not going away. I mean it is, but it takes a long time. As you can see, it's fully open and the water, it's not going away. It takes a long time. So I'm gonna try to clean it. So maybe the question you have is, how can I remove this piece? Maybe you try to pull it with your hands, turning it, twisting it, but it doesn't work. Well, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm gonna wait for all the water to go out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you what you have to do. So you have to remove this piece right here. It's really simple. Just push this together and push it out. Right, it's tough to do it with one hand. Let me see. Okay, push together and just pull it out. There, it's coming out. There, you can save it. So now what you have to do is, this piece right here, you gotta turn it, and then this part will come out. Just be careful, wait for all the water to go out. As you can see, I still have water here. So I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes, and I'll continue the video once the water's out. All right, water's out. Now, let's go to this part. What you have to do is you gotta turn it. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're gonna turn it like this. There. This part is really dirty. Now this part will just come out. Oh my God, look. That's the problem right there. Too much hair. Ew. So I'm gonna grab something to get it off. I just got a shirt hanger. I'm gonna see if I can get the most out of it. See if you guys can see. Yeah, this is really disgusting. Ew. It's coming out. Hopefully you guys don't dislike this video. You know, this is nasty stuff. Maybe some of you won't like it. All right, I'm gonna throw this away. And I'm gonna clean this one. Might as well just clean it. And just clean this part too. Okay, everything's cleaned up, everything looks good. Now we have to put this back. Remember, this is the way we took it out, so we're gonna put it the same. So basically, right here on this hole is where this will go to. So it will go like this. So let's put this one inside. remember, has to be like this. And now we do this bottom part. This might be a little bit tricky, but you probably get it on the first try. Okay, before you tie everything, just make sure this works. Let's see. So yeah, see, I'm moving it and it works. Okay, so we can tie. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're gonna turn it to the right till it's tight. So right there. Okay. So we're putting this one first. And then we're gonna put this one. And then we'll put the other one. Okay. So we'll put it right there. Now let's see. Open, close, open, close, and there. The problem is fixed. As you can see, water is going away, and there's no more water staying in the sink. No leaking, no nothing, and problem is fixed. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of water, and now I'm gonna open it and look at how fast the water is raining. You see? Wow. So, alright guys, I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. As always, peace.